Good morning, students. Today I will teach you topic a computer virus. This is for the class 7th. What is a computer virus? In simple language, you can say computer virus is a small program or software that can cause damage to your data and software on a computer. How do viruses spread in your computer? Computer viruses usually spread in one of three ways. First, from the removable media. Second, from downloads of the internet. And third, and from email attachment. So these are the three ways through which a virus can enter in your computer system and damage your data. In details, you can see what a computer virus do. A virus tries to take control of computer system at the first opportunity available. Also, it makes copies of itself and try to carry harmful tasks written in its program. Third, this process can happen so quickly that the user is not even aware of the presence of a virus in computer. Why do people create a computer virus? क्यों create करते हैं लोग virus? First, to take money, to prove one's skill और फॉर रिवेंज पर्पस. बदला लेने के लिए भी कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपके डेटा को चोरी करने के लिए यूज़र कोई आपका दुश्मन आपको एक ऐसी फाइल सेंड कर देता है जिसे आप इंस्टॉल करते हैं और जैसे ही आप उसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो वायरस आपके कंप्यूटर में एंटर कर देता है. थर्ड, टू डिसेबल ए कंप्यूटर और नेटवर्क. फोर्थ, टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर एंड यूज इट फॉर स्पेसिफिक टास्क. किसी टास्क को ख़त्म करने के लिए या आपके कंप्यूटर के किसी स्पेशल डेटा को चोरी करने के लिए भी वायरस का यूज़ हो सकता है. टू स्टेल सेंसिटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइक credit card information, password, personal detail data. So these all are the reasons people create a virus. How to detect a virus? You see uncommon error message, application won't start, your antivirus has disappeared and firewall is disabled. Your computer function is slower than the normal speed. Your computer responds slowly and freeze often. And next, your computer restart itself often. So these all are the through which you can detect a virus in your computer system. Here you can see the list of the types of computer virus. There are so many types of computer virus in the system. Macro, file infector, boot sector, email, Trojan, resident, multi-party and worm. So these are the types of viruses. And if you want to protect your computer through the virus, then what should we do? You can use the antivirus program. Now what is the antivirus program? An antivirus software is a computer program that identify and remove the computer viruses and other malicious software like worms and Trojan from an infected computer. Also, an antivirus software protect the computer from further virus attacks. To protect your system against viruses, you have to follow these steps. First, be careful while downloading files or programs from the internet. Second, always scan your floppy CDs, flash drives before using them. Third, do not use pirated software. And fourth, turn on firewall of your computer operating system. So through this point, you can protect the system against the virus. And always keep an antivirus program in your system to protect data. Now, quiz time. First, what is a computer virus? Write any 4 types of virus. Which program is used to remove virus from our system? Write the sources through which a virus can enter or spread in your system. Thank you. Happy and safe computing. So always before working on computer, save your data through the antivirus program. Thank you to watching my this video.